Hello again, and we are in module 4. And in this module, we're going to talk about Google Slides. And again, we've logged into our Google account. Our Google Apps icon is right here. And we click on it, and we're going to go to Slides. And when we go to Slides, it is so connected to your drive that any presentations that you have saved to your drive automatically pull up to Google Slides when you log in. And you can see some of the presentations that we have done so far, that I've done so far. And some of these presentations have been presentations that have been shared with me by students, and I have subsequently used. And since we're going to be talking about open house and some of you doing your open house presentations, we're going to start with this welcome to semester 1 point, and we're going to edit it in Google Slides. Now, as long as you have sharing rights, as long as it is being shared with you, you can edit a presentation. And with this particular presentation, each of you are going to be using this same presentation to create your open house or welcome to this semester presentation, of which you're going to upload to your website. But this is how we're going to start. So as you can see, it says welcome to semester 1. And I can click on this and I can edit this to say semester 1, semester 2, whatever I needed to say. I can go there and edit it. And right now I need to edit the name because I am not Mr. Facey. I am Mr. Lathan. And so I put my name in, and then I just can go to any of the slides and edit how I want to. Here's his name again. So I'm going to go there, and I'm going to put Mr. Lathan. And I too teach math, so I can leave that. But if I didn't teach math, I could take that out and put whatever it was that I needed to put so that it was relative to me. And then I go to the announcements. If this is not what you prefer to do, you can edit this too. I prefer no talking is allowed during announcements. And I would encourage you to have all of your students do that because the announcements are important and people need to hear what's being said. And also, all students will stand and be respectful for the Pledge of Allegiance. So you can, keep that in there, change it, and then you can go here and you can put your specific rules and what you expect. Go here and do the same thing if this is not you. Whatever it is that you would like to say in this PowerPoint, here is your opportunity to say it. And the really great thing about Google and all of its applications is that because they're web-based, you don't have to necessarily say save or go to the save command. It's done for you all automatically. And see, we got to go in here and change this date, yada, yada, yada. And you just go through and you make all of your individual edits. Whatever you need to do, you go and put. And again, if it's a matter of you just copying and pasting, you can do that. You can go from your syllabus and whatever your rules are on your syllabus, you can copy them. You can copy them and paste them right over into your slide presentation. But for all intents and purposes, I am finished. I'm not going to do any more. And by the way, the graphics, they're individualized. So if you don't like them, you can take them out or replace them with something that you would like. At any rate, we're finished. And so we're going to take this presentation and we need the link. And I want to publish to web. And again, this is really cool because I can set it up to advance automatically. It can start slideshow as soon as the player loads, restart slideshow. That's a tongue twister after the last slide. And then I just click publish. Now I need to do two things. I need for you to get the link to publish to the classroom, because this is one way that we're going to show that we have completed the task. The other thing I need for you to do is get the embedded file. And I don't want it to advance on the embedded file. And it offers me size. And we're going to see what that looks like in just a minute. I'm going to get the medium for right now. And I'm going to click publish. And it's going to ask me, okay. And then it gives me this embedded file. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to close. But not close this particular application. I'm actually going to go to another application, because what I need to do now is go to my website. And so I'll go to sites. And I'm going to go to Sid Lathan. And there's my website, and I actually need to go to my other site. This is a link to it. And this is where I need to be. And here I want to insert the embedded file. But unfortunately, there is a hitch. So for right now, we're going to stop. And just remember those things that I did. So go back to the slide that we just edited and make sure we have the embedded file. Let me go back. Go down here. And it's going to take a while to load. And I need to make sure I have the embedded file. There it is. And I know that I have it because publish is not allowed. I'm not allowed to publish because it knows that I haven't pasted that file yet. But if I do want to copy and paste it, I can do that and right click and copy again. So just to be on the safe side, I copied again. So that's what you need to do. And we're going to stop right there. And then we're going to move into the next module, which shows us how to embed this document or this slide presentation. Be right back.